guys, how are you today? So if you haven't been to my channel before, my name's Jade and this is my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Ipsy and Birchbox for the month of May. Kind of going back and forth through them both. I'm going to do Birchbox first and then I'll go ahead and go through Ipsy. And I'm going to open up, go through all the products, let you know how I feel about it, and then I'm going to tell you which one won my heart this month. Sounds like a great idea to me. I hope that you're having a wonderful day today. And if this isn't your cup of tea, get out of here. But with that being said, let's jump into the box. Alright, so my first box that we're going to go through is Ipsy. These are both subscriptions that are monthly. I spend $10 on them each month and, you know, kind of go through them. I do enjoy the products. They are full of travel sizes. Or trial sizes if you've never done these before. Every month for Birchbox you get a really cute little box. This is what this month's looks like. It's got all the little people on it and it tells you kind of the idea about it this month. So for the month of May, it's Female Founder Collective by Birchbox. And so pretty much what that means is that majority of the products that are in here are from female-founded companies, which is actually pretty cool to me. But with that being said, you also get a little card that gives you all of the information. And I won't necessarily go through here because I do still want it to be a little bit of a surprise. But afterwards, I'll link everything in the description box below. Okay? So, opening my box, this is what it's on the inside. Together we are unstoppable. Alright, and so they did wrap it up with some tissue paper, and I'm going to go ahead and go open it up for y'all. So this is what my box looks like this month. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling stuff out. I got a sticker. That's the first thing I grabbed, is this little flower sticker, and it says Stronger Together, and it's got little lips on it. It's kind of fun, kind of cute. Alright, so the next actual product that I'm grabbing is from Davines, Oi All-in-One Milk. So this is a multi-benefit beauty treatment, and this is what the bottle looks like. Kind of cute. I want to smell it, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the bottle so I can smell it. It smells really good. Like, I wish I could share the smell with you guys. But if you do get the Birchbox, there is a possibility that you will get this depending on your preferences inside. So this is for hair. Next thing in my box is the Embryolisse, and it is a multifunctioning nourishing moisturizer. Here's this one. I do always need more moisturizers in my life. I never feel like I have enough, or it's like I have a lot of nighttime stuff, but I don't necessarily have a lot of daytime stuff. So in the box, this is the tube that you get. Nice and cute, good for, you know, just really getting a feel for it for, you know, maybe 2 days. Alright, my next thing that I just pulled out is from Marcel, and it is a Lash Definition Expansion Mascara. Here's what that guy looks like. I like it that they come in these little tubes because you really can kind of throw it in your bag and test it out while you're out and about. I do like the little brush. But I think, however, that I would just use it on my lower lash line. It definitely has a very strong mascara, almost chemical smell. Kind of gross. Alright. My next product is from the company number 4, Jour du Automne. And it is a soothing balm for your hair. So far it seems like I've got 2 things for my hair. It smells really fresh, very clean. My hair, my ends do tend to get a little frizzy, so I think I will enjoy using this for sure. Just because, you know, my ends, they still have bleach in there because I used to be a platinum blonde. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll definitely see pictures of that. Just scroll through my archives. The next thing I got is from Dr.Lipp. It's a lip tint in the color Sweet Potato. See it like that. Sweet Potato Pigment. Dr.Lipp is a winning lip balm. So it is a tinted lip balm. So that could be fun, especially like over the summer when you really don't want to be wearing a whole lot of lipstick. This will be great for you. All right. Next thing I got is from Aero Enhance, and it is a waterproof eyeliner. And it looks like it's in a very pinky color. Kind of swatcheroo right here for you. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it on my camera here. But, oh yeah, it's a little white. So I think that'd be really good. And it does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. So it would be really nice to like put in the waterline just to kind of really open up your eyes a little bit. So the last two products that I have in here, I say two because they do go together. It's also from Davines, and it's the Oil Shampoo and Oil Conditioner. Oh, so these three go together. That's cute. So these three are going to go together. So you have a shampoo, a conditioner, and then the spray treatment. So this is almost like a leave-in conditioner. So that's cool. I am excited to try it, and if they smell anything like the Benefits treatment, I'm super excited to try it just because it's going to smell really good. But yeah, for me, this might be good for one. This will be good for one for sure, maybe two. Like I said, I do tend to go a little overboard sometimes. So I think I will go ahead and give these a try out tonight. So I got 4 things for my hair. I have a moisturizer, a lip balm, a mascara, and the waterproof eyeliner in my Birchbox this month. So last month they really got like everything across the board, as far as they really were like just everything. I had a little bit of something for everything. But yeah, that is my Birchbox this month. All right, and the next thing that we're gonna get into is actually my Ipsy bag. I didn't open it yet. Like last time I just had the bag pulled out, but I kind of wanted to surprise myself with what the bag looks like. I didn't for online, because for Ipsy and Birchbox sometimes you can pick and choose the little samples that go inside. I didn't do that this month, and I ignored all the emails saying, hey, come look at the bag. I ignored them this month, so that way I could be surprised with you guys. Thought that'd be kind of fun. So here is my bag. Oh, it's so cute. It's all glittery. I love glitter. Glitter is my happy place. I totally am like big old fairy girl. I really am. So this is what the inside of my bag looks like so far. I do have a card in here. It says, don't give up on your daydreams. Glam Bag Plus is finally here. So if you don't know, they're actually also doing a new thing for Ipsy, and it's they're doing a Glam Bag Plus. And so instead of getting the 5 trial sizes, you get 5 full-size products, and I believe it's $20. I am signed up for it, but I am on a wait list too. So I'm just kind of waiting for it. We'll see if it happens, crossing our fingers. So again, with the cart, you know, with the Ipsy, just like the Birchbox, you do get a little information, and then they list all the products on there that are going to be in your bag. But again, I am going to put everything that was in both my Birchbox and my Ipsy bag down below. So you don't have to worry about it. That way, if I'm speaking too fast, you can go ahead and just look down and go ahead and give it a quick read. So first product I am pulling out is from Benefit, and it is their Bang BADgal Lash. So I got another mascara. This one, however, I do really love it. I love the trial sizes. They're great because I can just pop it in a quick makeup bag. That way if I need to do any touch-ups, or if I'm going somewhere for a weekend. This one doesn't flake on me, which I love that fact. And I do like the brush. It is a lot smaller, but the end is a little wider. And I like the fact that the Benefit one doesn't necessarily have such a fragrant, here we go, that's mascara in your face. And I do like the fact that the BADgal Bang Lashes mascara gives me a lot of lift, just like the Roller Lash does from Benefit. And those are like my top 2 absolute favorites. So I'm excited I got this guy. I got this bronzer from the Beauty Crop, and the nice thing about it, it's in the color Tanneries. And then when they sent it to me in my bag, it actually came in a little little bubble wrap pouch, which is nice because that way it's not broken. I have had issues with certain single things like this in the past where they do break pretty easy. So that was nice. But this is the color Tanneries. I'm going to go ahead and clean finger and swatch it. It is really soft, so that's nice. I'll put it right here. Oh, I think that like is a really nice color, and I think that's going to be good for my skin tone as far as giving me a good bronze. Next is Hola Neon, and this is, oh, there it is. Matte, long-lasting, and moisturizing velvet liquid lipstick. I got really confused, I couldn't find it. So this is what the package that they sent me. So it does look like it's a full-size tube. I love the coloring of it. And it says it is in the color FOMO. Aww, look, on the inside it says, "Hola, babe." That was cute. Oh yeah, so they did, it does look like they sent me a full-sized liquid lip. I do like this color a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and give a little swatcheroo on my hand right here. Ooh, God. That is a gorgeous color. It's not necessarily something I would pick out for myself, but I love the fact that they sent it to me because, no, I 100% will wear this and try it on. It almost matches my nail polish today, which is kind of funsies. So yeah, so I did get a full-size lippy, which is awesome. Love that. Put it back in its box here, and now reaching in for another product. We're almost to the end. This is Canadian Clay Pore Cleanser. This is almost the last thing I pulled out. It is Canadian Glacial Clay, and this is made in Korea. It is sealed, which is nice. I do like that because it... So it is sealed, which is nice. I'm going to go ahead and try and take the thing off if it will let me. It smells really good, really fresh, really clean, and it looks really thick. So I'm actually going to use this tonight and just trying to put the lid on. You can kind of hear the little grits to the clay, which is kind of cool. Karma, go! So I have one last product in here, and it looks like it is a nail polish from the brand Pretty Women. And it is in the color Royal Fantasy. So here is the box for it. I'm actually kind of excited. Maybe I'll change my nail polish today. So it looks like this right here is all of her links that you can follow. It says 10 free on the back. All of our nail polishes are 10 free. Cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, petrochemical free, GMA free, and trilocin free. So, like I said, this is from the company Pretty Women in the color Royal Fantasy. I'm gonna get the box open so we can take a look at the color. Here's the cap. The cap is just white. And that is the color. So it's very shimmery. It's actually kind of pretty. Maybe I will do this for my toes, because I don't necessarily think I want to have this put on my hands right now. I'm digging the color I got on my hands. So that was everything that was in my Ipsy bag. It's empty. And I'm super excited. The bag is super cute. Definitely holding on to this. So in my Ipsy bag, there was a clay cleanser, nail polish, a bronzer, a mascara from Benefit, and then I got a lippy. Super excited to play with all of these and try them out. So now the biggest thing is to kind of try and, I'm going to pull all the products out again, and I'm going to really just take a look, and I'm going to kind of lay them all out in front of me. So that way I can really, you know, feel out which one I'm more excited to play with this month. Because I know last month I'm pretty sure Birchbox won. So let's see who won my heart this month. So I have all the products sitting in front of me, and honestly, like, the only things that for Birchbox that I'm really excited to try is the shampoo, the conditioner, the multi-benefit spray, and the smoothing balm. That's really kind of it. So that's 4 products, and I've got another 4 that are sitting in front of me that I could kind of leave and take. You know, it doesn't really matter. I will try out the waterproof eyeliner, but that's really kind of it. So, and then for the Ipsy, like, I'm really excited to try the bronzer. I'm super happy that I got another mascara. I'm like digging this lip color, even though it's not something that I would typically buy for myself. It's kind of nice that I did get something that somebody else picked for me to try. Like, that's really cool. I do love that. This nail polish is super pretty. I do want to use it, but I'm not going to use it on my hands. I'll probably just use it for my toes. But that's okay. I'm still like really excited to use it. It's definitely a really nice frosty purple pink color. And it does have a little bit of a duochrome shift to it. And then I am really excited to try this Pore cleanser. So, I mean, in all honesty, and that's not including the Ipsy bag, because the Ipsy bag is like, it's my life goal is to just be covered in glitter. Not really, but sort of. So with that being said, Ipsy winning my heart this month, this comes the end of my video. I really hope that you enjoyed kind of what I had to say. I do know that my opinions are not going to be yours, and that's perfectly fine with me. Please know that these subscriptions I do pay for myself. I do the $10 for each of them every single month. So it is coming out of my pocket. It is not sponsored, so these opinions are mine. You don't have to worry about it. Everything, my links, please follow me on Instagram. My links to Instagram will be down below in the description box. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave a comment down below. Let me know that you're there. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you know when I upload new videos. Alright? Bye guys, and I really hope that you have an awesome day. Okay, thanks.